The Nokia Magic Max 5G is an upcoming flagship smartphone that aims to deliver top-tier performance and features. It is expected to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample space for apps and media. The camera setup includes a dual rear system with a 108MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, designed to capture detailed and expansive shots. For selfies, a 32MP front camera is provided. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery supporting 67W fast charging, promising extended usage and quick recharging times. Running on Android 13, the Nokia Magic Max 5G also offers 5G connectivity, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. The expected price for this smartphone is around 49,990 Indian rupees in India.